Well, I'm back. Maybe an overdue video, but what I've decided to do and am doing are getting engines out that I haven't run in, geez, some of them 15 years. All Proto-sound engines. Now, I'll surprise everybody by saying I think Proto-sound is and was awesome. And here are a couple examples that I've featured in previous videos. This one being the Yellowstone, again in Proto-sound, and then of course the notorious Big Boy. Good pullers, engines that are built so well, it's mind-boggling when you look at now and you look at then. My God, the rigidity of the frames and the motors and the drive shafts, all metal instead of plastic, and the worm gears and just literal liquid ball bearings on rails. You feel the tables as they romp and stomp over the joints. You feel the power, like a gigantic iron weight running down the rails. Good builds, good engines, good everything. So what if a future example, and look, being fair, that's nice, comes out and it has opening hatches where the switches are in this tender, for example. If that means a lot to you, great. I can reach underneath and turn the smoke on and off. So these were neat examples. What we thought at the time were just, my God, sliced bread, and now these. So what I've done is got the old remote out, and I'm in the variable mode now. And I'm going to turn some volume levels up and down. Let's see, here it is. A clink and a clink would mean option 6 for volume. So here's full volume, or no volume, I should say. Full, medium, low, off. And, sometimes silence is golden. And in these examples, you didn't have the timing tape, you didn't have the matching smoke and the chuff rate and all that. These are just very basic engines. But I guess my point being, in my opinion, it's that they're so reliable. My God, if you put a good battery in them, in some where they didn't want to go or don't want to go, there's a force chip that you plant. And you go through a certain amount of clinks and clanks and a procedure up to about the 18 volt range, if I recall, and you force that board back to operating status. And then when you put the original piece of hardware back in for whatever the engine is, or that sound chip, then you're back and rocking and rolling. So you can put a diesel chip in a steam engine and it'll sound like a diesel, or vice versa. They're just sound chips. And as QSI developed more and more different kinds of sounds, they came out with different kinds of chips. So let's turn these on. And I like that volume. So we'll say done on the remote. So with the remote still in that mode, on we go. are so loud I can't hear myself think. I love it. Love it. Love it. They're so loud and angry. It's just amazing. Just love that. Nice to have some volume again. They're really throaty. So with 108 cars, 109 cars, let's see what these can do. Slack. Up and up we go with the wheel. And there you go. Beautiful. So just really, really great engines. Nothing stops them. They're the ironclads of the fleet, in this man's opinion. They're reliable. They run and they run and they run. I got no problem with Proto-sound. Really, I don't. And this is the same old spread of cars. One heavy ass load. So we're cruising along and got about a good 10 amp pull. So we've seen what 2 can do, but what can 1 do? So now we're starting up an incline with the same amount of cars. Can he do it? Well, we're gonna see. Watch the slack. Watch the slack. Power's going up as I speak. Yes. No, wait a minute. I see wheel slip. Oh man, is that biting you hard? Look at that. And there you got it. She's a lady, man. That's the all-time winner right there. Okay, there it is. For the next video, we're going to get out these old Northern class engines. Look at that. Look at that. Not a sound. They are mechanical marvels. These are examples of the best of days, my opinion again. In train making. This is amazing to me to hear this run. I can't hear it run, to watch this run. Look. That is incredible. Look at that. Hear the reverse unit? Look at that. So stay tuned. I know you want to hear it chuff, right? I'm Tommy Z. Thank you.